Erin, listen. Listen.
Side to side, alright. Yan. Kapag narinig yan, meaning to say, there's an earthquake. By the way, this is our earthquake simulation room. As you can see, what do you observe in the surroundings? You see what? You see cracks, right? Broken stone corner. To perform the drop cover and hold like this. Okay? So once you hear the alarm, you go under your table. Okay? So let's assume that you are in school and then you are playing, you are studying. Come on, come on. Diba? You are playing, you are studying at the same time, and then overflow starts by fire, you need to stop, drop, cover your face, and then roll. Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll. Okay, then stand, stand. Stand, go to the exit, go to the exit.
Open jacket. Open jacket. Okay, next, after you open jacket, hands interlock and fingers interlace, placing on the center of the chest, in the rhythm of 30 chest compressions, 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Okay, commencing in 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Okay, next is you place your hands interlock and fingers interlace to the center of the chest. Okay, hands interlock, fingers interlace. Okay, after that, you do chest compression in the rhythm of Baby Shark in 3, 2, 1. Baby Shark, Baby Mommy shark doo doo doo, mommy shark doo doo doo, mommy shark doo doo doo, mommy shark, daddy shark doo doo doo, daddy shark doo doo doo, daddy shark doo doo doo, daddy shark. And the patient suddenly move. What will you do next is you place it in. Okay, good job guys. Side lying position. Sige po, kayo na. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, you need assistance? Okay, good job. Okay. Good job, guys.